Welcome to Level 4, Lesson 4. My name is RIA the Trader from TradingWing.net. This will be a quick lesson, and in this lesson, you will learn about Level 2 quotes. So let's get started. Everything that you have learned up to this point with respect to data are considered Level 1 quotes. This is the simple bid and ask, the price of the stock, the volume, and so on. So what exactly are Level 2 quotes? Think of Level 2 quotes as a visual order book for the Nasdaq Stock Exchange. So, if I was to go ahead and place an order, it would show up on the Level 2 quotes, and you would be able to see my order. Of course, you would not see my name or my account number, but you would see at what price I am willing to buy or sell a stock, as well as how many shares I am willing to buy or sell. Many traders use the Level 2 data or Level 2 quotes to their advantage, as it displays the best bid and ask prices and the volume behind them. Not only that, but it also displays the bid and ask prices above and below the best ones. The image that you see on the right side is a screen capture of an order book or Level 2 data. So let's go ahead and have a closer look at that data. When it comes to Level 2 data, all brokers display their order books in this manner. On the left-hand side, you will see a list of bid orders as well as the volume associated with each bid price. On the right-hand side, you will see a list of ask orders as well as the volume associated with each ask price. Let's have a look at a few examples, starting with the bid. The first bid is always the closest bid to the current stock price. The same goes for the ask. The first bid is 0.4259, and there are 2,500 shares ready to be purchased once the price hits that exact value. Let's have a look at the ask. The first and closest ask is 0.4279, and there are 3,000 shares ready to be sold once the stock price hits that value. Let's have a look at how we can use Level 2 data to our advantage. When looking at the specific order book, there is one value that sticks out like a sore thumb. Under the ask, at 0.43, there are 615,000 shares ready to be sold once the stock price hits that value. The great thing about using Level 2 quotes is that the data presented here can serve as support or resistance depending on the share volume on that particular order. So if we are using this specific example, I would assume that at 0.43 we would hit a major resistance, as there will be many sell orders filling at that price. That will in turn bring the price down, despite there being many people who may be buying at that price. So in addition to using your chart's support and resistance lines, you can use the Level 2 quotes to further confirm your theories. The same that applies to the ask here can apply to the bid. If there is a significantly large bid order, we can assume that there is a significantly large support in that region, as many people will be buying at that price. There are, however, problems with simply using Level 2 data. Let's go ahead and break that down. When it comes to Level 2 data or Level 2 quotes, there is a common term used amongst traders known as fake walls. But what exactly are fake walls? Let's have a look at a quick example here. Let's say you are a serial short seller You're always betting on the price of a stock moving down, and that's how you make your money. Let's say the current stock price is $10.04 per share, and you would love for the price of this stock to move down. So how would you use level 2 data to help you do this? In a majority of cases, the individuals who create fake walls have large accounts and have the ability to fool the majority traders. This is what they would do. They would place a limit order at $10. Because the current price is $10.04, their order would not yet be filled. So they would have a 100,000 share buy order at $10. This would make every individual going long believe that there is support at $10, when in fact, you're a short seller and you're looking to fool them. That 100K wall is known as the fake wall. This is how you would fake the people going long. When the price approaches $10.01, you would then proceed to cancel your order, removing that wall. That would inform many people that that was a fake wall. But by that point, it's too late because you have now placed a sell order and your order has filled. This will cause the stock price to plummet significantly. In addition, many traders will hit their stop losses or exit out of fear due to a sudden move. This would also add to your gains as the price would also drop caused by those factors. Does that make sense? The same thing would apply in the case of an individual who would like to go long on a stock, except the fake wall would be on the ask side. If for whatever reason you would like to hide your order from the level 2 order book, or would like to avoid disrupting the market, your only option or your only choice would be to buy an option contract and execute that contract. Only in that case would your order not be shown on the level 2 order book. And that concludes this lesson.